Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful workshop which talks about women's
The
struggle.
broadcast is now starting. All listen only mode.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful workshop on women's struggle to balance family and work, brought to you by HDFC Fingage in association with HDFC Bank. Today, we are going to talk about one simple thing which is very close to our heart. It's very, very close to our heart as women, as girls, as ladies, that how do we manage our family? And equivalently, if you are working, then your work also. So we would be talking about this topic, and if you have any questions regarding it, please do comment in the chat box. I'll be able to answer you all after the session is over. Till then, hold on to your questions. My name is Sonu Singh. I am a confidence and an image building professional, and I have around 10 years of work experience in the field of working with women, women entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and even homemakers. And every one of us, be it me, be it you, be it anyone whom we meet, we have this pain point of ours. Before I start, welcome to the Women's Day week, and we will be celebrating Women's Day on 8th of March. So I would like to congratulate all the women right now watching me live through this webinar a very happy Women's Day. It's not about one day that we celebrate Women's Day. It's not only about 8th of March. It's actually about every single day that we women put in our 200% to manage our families, give them what they need to manage our work and be productive in our work also. So let's go ahead without any ado. And I again welcome you all to this beautiful program on women's struggle to balance family and work. Now, I would like to start with this beautiful quote that I came across yesterday, that all that is beautiful in a person is only from two things, one from the sun and the other is from the mother's milk, said by Maxim Gorky, a literate educationist from the US. And how true was he? How true was he? Yes, you know and you understand how important is your son, right? So people say कि हमें हमें बोला जाता है कि आपको सन में बैठना चाहिए, विटामिन डी मिलती है, धूप लगनी चाहिए बच्चे को या बड़े को या आपको खुद को भी. तो धूप जितनी जरूरी है उतना ही जरूरी मदर है, मदर की मिल्क है, कि जो हर बच्चे को पोषण देता है. वी गेट न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम दैट मदर्स मिल्क एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल थिंग. So in a human's life, be it anybody, these two things are the most beautiful thing. I think so. So hello all, welcome. You are all rounders, right? We women are all rounders, and this beautiful picture which I came across in Times Accent says it all. I think it says it all that how much we provide 200% of our energy and our effort and commitment to whatever we do. Whichever role we are play, we are the all-rounders. Each woman out here, all of you who are listening to me, all of you who are actually talking to me, are here because you all believe that you are all-rounders. You all believe that you have the capacity to do everything. And as a woman, we certainly do it. No one in this whole world has that capacity to do what a woman can do. So we are called the women all-rounders. And during the pandemic, 2020 actually made all boundaries lost, and we all, when we are at our homes, the barricade between work, life, family, kids, personal life, I think सब कुछ टूट गया. द थिन लाइन जो होती थी कि ये हमारा पर्सनल स्पेस है, ये हमारा फैमिली स्पेस है, ये हमारा वर्क स्पेस है, ये हमारा फ्रेंड स्पेस है, ये मेरा स्पेस है. आई थिंक 2020 पैंडेमिक के दौरान सब कुछ एक स्पेस में आ गया जो कि आपका घर था. करेक्ट. सो आप इस घर में हर कुछ कर रहे हो. आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो, आप वर्क फॉर होम कर रहे हो, आप वर्क एट होम कर रहे हो. सो आप सब कुछ वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो एंड आप एफिशिएंटली मैनेज कर रहे हो. आप में से कई लोग अब ऑफिस आना शुरू हो गए. आप सब लोग ऑफिस जाते हो. अब आपको वो बैरिकेशन अभी भी दिखता होगा. बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं अभी भी बहुत सारे हम ऐसे हैं जो अभी भी घर से काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि मैं अभी भी घर से काम कर रही हूँ. तो मेरे लिए वो बैरिकेशन अभी भी बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन हम सब मैनेज करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम ऑलराउंडर हैं. सो एक जैसे कि एक क्रिकेट में एक ऑलराउंडर से ये अपेक्षा होती है, या एक ऑलराउंडर से ये आई से एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि वो बैटिंग भी अच्छा करेगा, वो बॉलिंग भी अच्छा करेगा, वो फील्डिंग भी अच्छा करेगा, उसी तरह एक वुमेन से, हमसे ये अपेक्षा रहती है कि हम सब कुछ परफेक्शन के साथ करेंगे। और जब हम इसी परफेक्शन की दौड़ में दौड़ने लगते हैं, सो व्हेन वी आर रनिंग इन दिस परफेक्शन रेस, somewhere during that period we lose ourselves, we lose our identity, we lose ourself, we lose our sanity, we lose our peace, we lose our mind, we lose everything. And what is left is that race. Was that race such important? Really? Was that race of perfection truly important? And I will tell you why. Going ahead. Now, these are the various hats that we as women wear. Now, the hats are countless, and now I can't even say how many hats we do wear, right? At one single point, we are not only a woman, but we are a daughter, sister, wife, mom, caretaker, chauffeur, moderator, friend, philosopher, guide. आप कुछ भी नाम दे दीजिए अपने आप को। आप एक वक्त पे बहुत सारे रोल्स करते हैं, आप एक वक्त पे बहुत सारे हैट्स पहनते हैं, एंड इसी चीज का नतीजा है कि हमसे हमेशा एक्सपेक्टेशन हायर रहती है, चाहे वो फैमिली फ्रंट पे हो या चाहे वो वर्क फ्रंट पे हो। तो हम चाहे अपनी फैमिली में हो या हम चाहे अपने काम में हो, हमें हमेशा ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है हमारे से कि हम हर चीज परफेक्टली करेंगे, हम हर चीज में कमिटेड रहेंगे, हम हर चीज में डेडिकेटेड रहेंगे, हम सबको इक्वली फुलफिल करेंगे। बट क्या वो हो पाता है? Talking about balancing, right? When the struggles that we get with balancing our family and our work is that we forget ourselves. हम खुद को भूल जाते हैं, and then we try to give everything to whoever we meet, whoever we are catering to, who that person is right now at that moment in front of us. So one question to me from me to you all is, out of this list, ये जो मैंने कुछ आठ मतलब लिस्ट बनाई है 24 कैरेक्टर्स या 24 हैट्स की, इनमें से आप अभी फिलहाल इस वक्त कितने हैट्स पहने हुए हैं? इफ एनीबडी वांट्स टू आंसर, दे कैन राइट इट ऑन अ पेपर। ओके, आप अपने एक पेपर पे लिख सकते हैं कि आप कौन से हैट्स आपने अभी के टाइम पे पहने हुए हैं, राइट नाउ व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन दिस वेबिनार, राइट? पूरे दिन की बात नहीं कर रही मैं, आपके पूरे लाइफ की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। अभी जो आप शाम के 4 बजे इस वेबिनार में बैठे हैं, आप किस हैट को पहन के बैठे हैं? ऑफ कोर्स द लर्नर हैट तो है ही है, बिकॉज आप यहाँ कुछ सीखने आए हैं, आप यहाँ कुछ समझने आए हैं। उसके अलावा भी आपके दिमाग में और भी चीजें चल रही होंगी जो आप अपने दिमाग में लेके चलते हैं। दैट इज वेयर वी ट्राई टू फिट इन एवरीथिंग टुगेदर। ओके, वी शुड नॉट डू दैट। इफ वी आर इन द लर्नर्स हैट, let that hat be on and the rest of the hats goes down. But that is not the case. Hum as a woman, we wear so many hats at a time, we think so many things at a time, we are multitasking so much that we forget that we have to stop that. It's draining our energy. Okay? So ये टास्क आप जरूर करिएगा कि आप कभी भी किसी भी काम में रहते हो, आप किसी भी काम में रहते हो, आप ये जरूर एनालाइज करिए with your peace of mind. And with a calm mind, think how many hats are you wearing at the same time? And there is the struggle. The struggle is not in the thing that you are not able to balance it. The struggle is at one given point of time, you wear so many hats. At one given point of time, you wear so many things in one single point. आप इतना कुछ सोचते हैं कि आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते। ठीक है? Now हमसे एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है? हमसे एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है? हमसे बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, आई मीन एंडलेस है, बट द टॉप 5 एक्सपेक्टेशन एज पर मी दैट वी हैव इज वी आर सपोज टू परफॉर्म एट ऑल लेवल्स एंड बी द बेस्ट। हमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि हमें हर लेवल पे अच्छे से अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है और हमें बेस्ट होना है, चाहे वो हम अपने मॉम के लेवल पे हो, वाइफ के लेवल पे हो, सिस्टर के लेवल पे हो, एम्प्लॉय के लेवल पे हो, प्रोफेशनल हो, बॉस हो, फैमिली हो, फ्रेंड्स हो, कहीं पे भी, राइट? कहीं पे भी हम होते हैं, हमसे एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है कि हम हर लेवल पे परफॉर्म करेंगे और अपना बेस्ट करेंगे, उससे कम में तो हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे। द सेकेंड, ऑलवेज बी अ परफेक्शनिस्ट। तो आप में से सबने तो ये सुना ही होगा ना कि माँ को सब आता है, लेकिन क्या आपने वो एड देखी है जिसमें वो कहते हैं कि माँ भी गलत हो सकती है या माँ को भी सब कुछ नहीं पता होता है? आई लव दैट एड। वो एक लिक्विडेटर की एड है एंड आप वो जाके देखिए कि हाँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सब कुछ आता हो. इस परफेक्शन में मत रहिए. Don't be in that illusion that you are a perfectionist and you know it all. It's okay to say that I don't know. It's okay to say that, okay, I don't know this, I will come back to you. It's okay to say that, okay, I will read about it and let you know. It's not something which you feel bad about that, oh, how come I didn't do that? Come on, आप माँ हैं या आप वाइफ है या आप सिस्टर है या आप किसी भी रोल में है उस वक्त, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सब कुछ आता. ठीक है. सो नेवर बी इन दैट रेस. एक्सपेक्टेशन है, लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशन है हमसे कि हम हमेशा परफेक्शनिस्ट रहेंगे, हम हमेशा ये करेंगे कि भाई सब हमें तो सब कुछ आता है, हम तो सब कुछ परफेक्शन में कर सकते हैं. बट परफेक्शन इज अ मिथ. परफेक्शन इज अ मिथ. ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड अचीव एक्सीलेंस. आप अगर एक्सीलेंस के लिए काम करेंगे तो आपका सक्सेस गारंटीड है. परफेक्शन के लिए काम मत करिए. यू नो ऑल, ये मैंने अभी से बता दिया आपको, पहले ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि हमसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि हमें सब कुछ आता है, हमें हर चीज का आंसर पता है, हम हर चीज का सोल्यूशन दे सकते हैं. ये सब सीरियल से आता है. जो हम डेली सोप्स देखते हैं उन्होंने ये स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है एंड उसी से ये आता है कि उनको तो सब आता है. वो तो डिटेक्टिव भी है, वो तो कुक भी है, वो तो शेफ भी है, केयरटेकर भी है, और एक्सीलेंट वाइफ है, मदर है, डॉटर इन लॉ है, प्रोफेशनल है, बॉस है, सब कुछ वो है. बट वो एक रियल लाइफ नहीं है. दैट इज नॉट रियलिटी. द रियलिटी इज द रियल लाइफ दैट यू ऑल वुमेन आर स्टेइंग इन. द रियलिटी इज द 2020 पैंडेमिक दैट वी वेंट थ्रू. द रियलिटी इज दिस होम वेयरइन वी हैव एवरीथिंग टुगेदर एंड वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स स्ट्राइविंग डेली कि हम हर रोज का काम भी कैसे करें. Right? So that is what is the reality. That is not a reality. The expectation from us this is the huge one, that we can be at all places at the same time. Means अगर हम घर का फंक्शन भी अटेंड कर लेंगे, हम ऑफिस का काम भी कर लेंगे, हम बच्चों को भी देख लेंगे, हम किचन में भी देख लेंगे, हम हर जगह कैसे हो सकते हैं at the same time? It's not possible. So right now, if I am coming here and giving a training session with you all, of course, I can't be with my child or with my husband or with my family looking after them, right? So I can be only at one place, focused, dedicated to what I am doing, not at every place and not doing anything. So that is the expectation कि मैं ये भी करूँ, मैं वो भी करूँ, but be real, be the real you, and can never say no to anything. ये तो हम बोल ही नहीं सकते. हमें तो बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि लड़कियों को ना नहीं बोलना चाहिए. लड़की हो ना कैसे बोल सकती हो? जो बड़े कहे, जो मम्मी पापा कहे, वो सब तुम्हें आना चाहिए. तुम किसी भी चीज को ना नहीं कर सकते. बट दैट अगेन इज अ मिथ. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. If you don't like anything, if you don't want to do anything, if you have not appreciated somebody telling to you or talking to you, अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगा है तो प्लीज उसे कन्फ्रंट करें. Go and talk to them. Explain them why you didn't like it. Tell them what is the issue. What are you expecting from them rather than their expectation from you. Okay? So ये जो 5 expectation है, they are deadly and we live by it. We all women, including me, I am not excluding myself, we all women live by this expectation from the day we have understood what this expectation means. Right? So all of you, in case you have any question, please do write in the comment box. We would be taking it up at the end of the session. Don't worry, I will answer all your queries and questions. Now the journey of balance. Now what is this balance? We have to create a balance even in the family that we take care of, at the workplace that we go to, or the family and the work that we manage. So we have to create a balance. Now how this journey of balance would be created? So if I say, women think that I just can't have it all. We have this mindset. At some point of time, we think whenever the things are not going as per our thing, और जब भी हमें कोई मुश्किल आती है, कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी ये simple thought एक आता है कि I just can't have it all. Why? Because of the limitations that we have, because of the opportunities that we missed, because of many other things. But this journey of balance from I just can't have it all to I can have it all is very simple, and we will go to this journey वी विल ट्रैवल टुडे, हम आज ये जर्नी ट्रैवल करेंगे एंड ये देखेंगे एंड ये अश्योर करेंगे कि हम जो ये सोचते हैं ना कि हमें सब कुछ, हमें नहीं मिल सकता सब कुछ, लेकिन हमें मिल सकता है। कैसे मिल सकता है वो हम आगे देखते हैं। उससे पहले ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है जो आप सबको मेरे साथ करनी है। आप सबको, जितने भी महिलाएं हो, द वुमेन हु आर लिसनिंग टू मी राइट नाउ, प्लीज डू दिस राइट नाउ विथ मी। लव योर सेल्फ। सो जस्ट put your shoulders back, put your shoulders back, sit calmly wherever you are, put your back straight, okay, put your back straight, the spine straight, pull your shoulders back, and then just spread out your arms and take a deep breath. Spread out your arms and take a deep breath wherever you are sitting. It's very, very important to do it. Do it with me right now, okay? So just spread out your arm, take a deep breath, at least 3 long breaths, release. Take it from the nose and release it from the mouth. Do this 3 times, and then after you have done that, just bring your arms and hug yourself. Give yourself a tight hug. You have to love yourself first, and then only anyone else in the world can love you. Right? So if you want to be loved, love yourself first. If you want to get love, love yourself first. So love thyself is the mantra that each one of you, the women, men, kids, children, adult, anybody, any one of you should be practicing daily in your life. This never fails. And self-love is not selfish. It is all about caring about yourself. What people think self-love is not what they actually think. It is very, very different. We'll talk about it later maybe. But love thyself, and you have to do it daily, maybe 3 times a day, right? Morning, evening, and night. So do it 3 times a day. Pull yourself up, hug yourself, and just say, I am beautiful. I am enough. I am whatever adjective you want to give to yourself. Whatever adjective you want to give to yourself, just tell that with I am. And you will see the difference that it makes in your life. You will see the instant push that it gives to your mental frame. You will see the instant mind shift that happens. It's a very, very powerful self-love tool. Try it, do it. Okay, so I'm sure each one of you have understood this exercise. So you have to do it daily and so that you can start loving yourself to get love from each one of us. Now, I can't have it all. You have thought about it ample number of times. I am sure about it. We all think about it. There is nothing to shy about it. We always have certain situations which makes us think that I can't have it all. हमें सब कुछ नहीं मिल सकता. You know, whatever situations you are in right now, and if you have this thought process, let me tell you why you have this thought process. And these are the major reasons. The first and the foremost, you start managing all rather than doing anything about yourself. तो आप हमेशा दूसरों के बारे में पहले सोचते हो, अपने बारे में तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं सोचते, right? So we as women, we think about others first. So we start managing others first, कि let them be happy, let them be content, and then if time permits, which never happens, you will think about yourself. You forget to manage self actually. You start managing all, but you forget to manage self. That is the first 2 reasons that you think that, oh, I can't have it all. How can I? I have to do so many things. मुझे ये भी देखना है, मुझे वो भी देखना है, फैमिली में ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. प्रेशर होता है फैमिली का. आप चाहे घर की बेटी हो या बहू हो, आप चाहे जेठानी हो, देवरानी हो, आप कोई भी हो. There is a certain kind of pressure. And in the place of starting, managing everybody else, you forget to manage about yourself. The third is about support. Now, the support system is a critical thing in the Indian families. Though it is considered to be a very, very joint family and it is considered to be very rich in supporting each other. But when it comes to women, I think the support from the men fraternity is very, very low. In 2020, even it has been realized that men have also started coming up and doing things, but then that was the talk of the town. right? So when men started working at home, when men started grooming the house, when men started cooking in the kitchen, when men started taking care of the kids, when men started cleaning the house or doing any kind of household chores, it became the social media post. But we as women have been doing it day in, day out, the entire life of us. ये तो कभी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट पे नहीं जाता, राइट? सो जब ये सारी चीजें होती है, जब इस तरह का सपोर्ट हमें नहीं मिलता है, देन वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. Then there is about a self guilt. Now, how is self guilt? So, I am a working mom. There are many hundreds and thousands of workforce who are working women, okay, in India and abroad even. So, when we are not able to give the time that the people are expecting from us, maybe our kids or our aging parents or our family, husband, whoever, relatives, जब हमें बोलने लगते हैं, अरे तेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, अरे अब तो तुमसे अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा, तुम अपने बच्चे को नहीं देखती, तुम अपने फैमिली को नहीं देखती, तुम तो बस काम करती हो, तुम तो करियर ओरिएंटेड हो. This all kind of statements, okay, I call them foolish statement. That is what I call FS. So whenever these FS, I start listening, I use my 2 ears. So from one, I hear it, the other, I take it out. Because I know my priorities. But then these statements at some point of time create self-guilt in us. कभी कभी ये हमारे अंदर एक सेल्फ गिल्ट की भावना क्रिएट करते हैं कि अरे मेरे बच्चे को मैंने छोड़ दिया, अरे मेरे इसको छोड़ दिया, अरे मैंने फ्रेंड को ना कर दिया, अरे मैंने अपने रिलेटिव को पिकअप करने नहीं गई. सो ये सारी चीजें, जो प्रेशर, जो आपको सेल्फ गिल्ट का एहसास दिलाती हैं, आप उस पर क्या करते हो, उसको कवर करने के लिए आप 200% अपना करना चाहते हो. चाहे आप कितने भी थके हारे हो, चाहे आप कुछ भी किए हो, लेकिन फिर भी आप एक्स्ट्रा काम करते हो, आप उसको प्लीज करने की कोशिश करते हो. वो जरूरी नहीं है, राइट? The fourth thing is constant engagement. You want that your kids should have constant engagement, and for that you keep pushing yourself. Is it required? I mean, कभी कभी अगर बच्चा कुछ नहीं भी कर रहा हो तो ठीक है ना, वो अपने आप engage हो जाएगा. The kids have that power to get engaged by themselves. You don't need to be always engaging with them. What you need is to get out of your self-guilt and create a constant engagement is quality time. So when I talk about quality time, that means whenever you are with the kid or whenever you are with your family, be in that moment. उस फैमिली के साथ रहिए, उस बच्चे के साथ रहिए, उस एजिंग पेरेंट के साथ रहिए, अपने हस्बैंड के साथ रहिए, वाइफ के साथ रहिए, अपनी सिस्टर, फ्रेंड, जिसके साथ भी आप उस मोमेंट पे हैं, उस मोमेंट में उसी के साथ रहिए. उस वक्त आप कुछ और मत करिए. उस वक्त ना तो आप अपने काम के बारे में, ना तो आप अपने फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, ना तो आप अपने बिजनेस के बारे में, ना तो घर के किचन के बारे में, इन सब के बारे में नहीं सोचिएगा. बी इन दैट मोमेंट, बी प्रेजेंट इन दैट मोमेंट. That is what is going to help you out. Then the mindset of people. So the mindset of people talks about that women are only made to do household work and men are made to do on the household money, right? So औरतें घर संभालेंगी एंड मर्द जो है वो बाहर का काम देखेंगे. ये जो माइंडसेट है, इसको ब्रेक करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, स्पेशली फॉर वर्किंग वुमेन्स. तो जब हम वर्किंग वुमेन बाहर जाती हैं या जब हम वर्किंग वुमेन ऑफिस का टाइम ज़्यादा स्पेंड करती हैं या ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी जब आप घर से काम कर रही हैं, राइट, आप प्रेजेंटेशन भी देख रही हैं, आप किचन भी संभाल रही हैं, आप बच्चे भी संभाल रही हैं, आप सब कुछ कर रही थी. पहले 1-2 महीने तो शायद अच्छा लगा होगा क्योंकि वो कंफ्यूज्ड स्टेट था, लेकिन उसके बाद इट टुक अ टोल ऑन अस. Many of the women have started suffering mentally. We all have issues with our mental health, emotional health, physical health, all started deteriorating. And it's all because of that mindset that women are only to do household work. And now since we are also working, so we have to manage both. No, that is not the way it should be. And finally, the value systems. So अगर आप घर में हैं, आपकी जॉइंट फैमिली है, अगर आप फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं, अब आप न्यूक्लियर भी रहते हैं, तो न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज आर स्टिल मैनेजेबल. But if you are a joint family and there is a pressure of you fulfilling the household duties, it's all because of the value system. The values that we are born with, right? The values that we have been inculcated in us कि girls are supposed to do this, women are supposed to do this, बहुओं को ऐसे रहना चाहिए, बेटियों को ऐसा रहना चाहिए. तो ये सब कुछ सिस्टम में है. It's hard to break them, but not difficult. Okay, but you have to try. You have to take the call. You have to make the difference. No one else. And if अगर आप अपने लिए नहीं खड़े होगे तो फिर कौन खड़ा होगा? Who will stand for you? Not me, not any other woman, but only you. We are here to support each other. We are here to tell each other that no, we are capable of doing anything, but not everything. Understand this. We are capable of doing anything in this world, but not everything in this world. So understand your boundaries. Understand what you're capable of doing. Understand your limitations. Understand your strength. Understand your potential to stretch. But don't stretch beyond that potential. It will break you. Okay, so now this is what is called I can't have it all. These are the points that basically bring in this mindset that women think that I can't have it all. So how can I have my piece of cake? Do I have a piece of cake? So इतनी बड़ी दुनिया में wherein I am managing work, I am managing family, I am managing myself, I am managing emotions, I am managing physical self. Do I have a piece of cake for myself? Yes, you do. And how will you get your piece of cake? So now my piece of cake comes from the first point when you start honoring yourself. Yes, you have to honor yourself first. If you don't honor yourself, if you don't respect yourself as a woman, who will? So you have to start honoring yourself. You have to become much more confident in yourself. You have to become much more aggressive in yourself. You have to become much more self-dependent on your own self. So when you become dependent on yourself and not on others, you start honoring yourself. Okay, know your. The second thing is health first. We all ignore it. As a woman, we all ignore it. And you know how much, be it bone problem, be it age-old problem, be it cancer, be it anything, women suffers lots. A recent case wherein I have understood that how health is so important is the case of my mother itself. Okay, the recent case of how much health is important, I have understood because of my mother itself. So my mother has always done everything. वो सबके लिए सब कुछ करती है. हम सबकी माँ करती है. हम सब माँ हैं. हम सबके लिए सब कुछ करते हैं. उन्होंने अपनी हेल्थ को इग्नोर किया. And अब उनको नी सर्जरी करानी पड़ी है. And the kind of suffering that she is going through, I just can tell you one thing, that as a woman, take care of yourself. Your health is your priority. Your health is wealth. आज की दुनिया में हेल्थ अगर सही है तो आप वेल्थ कभी भी कमा सकते हैं. ठीक है, so always keep your health first. Yes, you have to do for others. You have to take care of their family's health. You have to take care of your physical health of everybody in the family. But then your health should be the first priority to it. The third, communicate your wants and needs clearly. अरे वो तो मेरे हस्बैंड है, उनको तो सब पता है. या वो तो मेरी माँ है, उनको तो सब पता है. वो मेरा बच्चा है, उसको सब पता है. किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पता होता है. To be very true to you. As a woman, I am talking to women out there. किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पता होता है. You have to communicate. You have to talk as a woman, and you have to tell them that what are actually your needs and want. What you feel good, what you don't feel good, what actually you want from them, what you actually don't want from them. And then when you talk to them, they understand you. Otherwise, I'm sure आपने ये बहुत बार सुना होगा, अरे तुमने तो कहा ही नहीं, right? ये लाइनें आई थिंक हम सबको सुनने को मिलती है कि अरे तुमने तो बताया ही नहीं कि तुम्हें ये चाहिए था, तुमने तो कहा ही नहीं कि तुम्हें यहाँ जाना है, अरे तुमने तो कहा ही नहीं तुम्हें बुरी लगती है. क्यों? आपने सोचा कि उसको सब पता होगा क्योंकि वो मेरे साथ इतने साल से है, या वो मेरी फैमिली, या मेरी फैमिली में सब मुझे इतने अच्छे से जानते हैं, तो सबको मेरी पसंद नापसंद के बारे में पता होगा. बट माइंड इट एंड टेक इट फ्रॉम मी, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता होता है. सिर्फ आपको पता होगा कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या नहीं चाहिए. सो कम्युनिकेट. कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. यू हैव टू टॉक, बी इट इन द वर्क प्लेस, बी इट इन योर फैमिली, बी इट इन योर फ्रेंड्स, बी इट इन योर सोशल गैदरिंग, और एनी काइंड ऑफ event or people you are meeting. Be vocal about your choices. Be vocal about what you want. Even in the restaurant, रेस्टोरेंट में हम जब जाते हैं तो जनरली जब मेनू आता है तो ऑलवेज द हस्बैंड or the elder in the house, they open up and order for everyone. But do you really want to eat that? Be clear. So बात करिए, बोलिए कि nice you have ordered this, but I think I want this. And नहीं, इसमें किसी के disrespect की बात नहीं है. It's about respecting yourself. So start respecting about yourself. Start respecting and talking about who you are, what you are, and what do you want. So ये तीन चीजें हैं, the first three things that will give you the piece of the cake, that makes the formation of the piece of the cake. Fill in your own cup. Now इसका मतलब क्या होता है? If you are empty from inside, तो अगर कप खाली है तो आप चाय किसको देंगे, या दूध या पानी या जूस, जो भी उस कप में है, राइट? तो अगर आप खुद अंदर से खाली है, इफ यू आर नॉट फिलिंग अप योर ओन सेल्फ with a new skill or with a new kind of understanding, knowledge, or with a new kind or anything new that you want to learn, so you have to develop yourself. Filling up the cup means start working on your self development. Once you start working on your self development, you get things to give to others. अगर आप ही खाली होंगे तो आप दूसरों को क्या देंगे? Be it working on self-love, be it working on self-care, your self-development, your personality, communication, body language, etiquette, whatever you want to, getting a new skill, getting a new degree, doing a new, any kind of thing that you have always wanted to do, fulfilling your passion, whatever you want to do. Start filling up your own cup so that you are able to provide something to others, to your family, to your kids, to your husband, to your elders, anybody in the family who are there. ओके, बी क्लियर ऑन योर प्रायोरिटीज. ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. हम हमेशा एक टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हैं कि आज को हम टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हैं एवरी डे का कि हमें घर में क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए या मेरे किचन में मुझे क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए. लेकिन क्या आपने अभी कभी भी टू डू लिस्ट बनाया है अपने लिए? क्या आपने अपनी प्रायोरिटी सेट करी है कि मेरी जिंदगी में क्या चीज प्रायोरिटी पे है? मेरा काम प्रायोरिटी पे है, मेरे बच्चे प्रायोरिटी पे है, या मेरा सेल्फ केयर प्रायोरिटी पे है, या मेरा पैशन प्रायोरिटी पे है? हम हमेशा दूसरों को प्रायोरिटी पे रखते हैं कि वो हमारे लिए प्रायोरिटी, बट आपके लिए क्या प्रायोरिटी है? व्हाट इज योर ओन प्रायोरिटीज? सो बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर ऑन योर प्रायोरिटीज एंड लिस्ट देम डाउन, राइट देम डाउन. हैव अ 5-year goal, right? So have a 6-month goal, have a 5-year goal, have a 1-year goal, have a 10 years goal. What do you want in life? Where do you want to see? What kind of investments do you want to make? Yes, women are very very intelligent investors, but क्या है कि हम अपने कभी इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करते. वो सब हम इन्वेस्टमेंट अपने हस्बैंड्स पे छोड़ देते हैं. हम सिर्फ सेविंग करते हैं कि चलो आज हमने घर के खर्चे से इतना सेव किया, जिसको एक पिगी बैंक में या तो हम किसी उसको घर में ही कहीं पे रख देते हैं. बट क्या वो हमें फ्यूचर में रिटर्न देगा? वो तो बस एक सेविंग है. क्या हमें उस पर इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है? नहीं. क्या हमें उस पर कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा? नहीं. वो तो आप जितना सेव करोगे उतना ही होगा. मतलब 100 रुपए जोड़कर आप 1000 रुपए तो बना लोगे, लेकिन क्या उस 1000 रुपए को जो आपने बनाया उस पर 10% इंटरेस्ट लगा के 1100 रुपए आपको मिलेंगे? नहीं मिलेंगे ना. क्यों? क्योंकि वो काम तो हमने हस्बैंड्स पे छोड़ा हुआ है. सो बी क्लियर ऑन योर प्रायोरिटीज इवन ऑन योर फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. आप अपने आप को फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट करिए ताकि यू आर एबल टू हैव अ होल्ड इन द फैमिली एंड यू हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग से. एंड इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोगों को घर से बाहर निकाल देंगे. नहीं, दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई मीन टू से. आई मीन टू से इज इफ यू वांट योर पीस ऑफ केक, if you want your independence, if you want to actually balance the family well, you have to be independent. Financially, emotionally, physically, right? Mentally strong. So for that, start investing small amounts in different factors and see what the returns are there. Get your sleep. Ladies, it's very, very important. सोना बहुत जरूरी है for the mind, body and the soul to heal. We stretch ourselves beyond our limits and then we wake up early in the morning to fulfill everyone's desire. But are you happy into it? You start feeling distressed, you start feeling frustrated, anxiety, you start feeling angry, you start getting agitated on everything. And it's all because you have not got a good night's sleep. So if you have a good night's sleep, if you get that your 7 hours or 8 hours of good sound sleep, you are able to wake up fresh, you are able to give people positivity, you are able to contribute in the family the way you want to contribute, not just do it as a duty. तब वो आपकी ड्यूटी नहीं होगी, तब वो आपका पैशन हो जाएगा, वो आपको अच्छा लगेगा करना, rather than just fulfilling a duty and getting and cribbing about the things that oh my god I have to do so much of things. मुझे घर भी मैनेज करना है, फैमिली भी मैनेज करनी है, और घर ऑफिस भी मैनेज करना है, खुद को भी करना है, ये सब आपके लिए इरिटेशन हो जाएगी. लेकिन अगर आपकी नींद पूरी हुई है, अगर आप मेंटली इमोशनली फिजिकली स्ट्रांग हो, अगर आपको ये माइंडसेट क्लियर है, पॉजिटिव हो, तो ये सब आपको काम नहीं लगेगा. ओके, सो फॉर दैट good night sleep is very very important. So have your 8 hours of sleep, don't stretch beyond. Honor your boundaries. That means, as I said earlier, as a woman we can do anything but not everything, correct? So you should know what are your boundaries, you should know what are your strengths, you should know what are your limitations, you should know how much you can stretch yourself, you should know how much you can't do things in your set boundaries, and honor that. It's not about being low, it's okay to have limitations, it's okay to not be perfect, it's okay to not be okay. It has been going around the corner so much. तो हमें हमारी बाउंड्रीज को ऑनर करना है, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ तक कितना कर सकते हैं इस मोमेंट में. आगे जाके चीजें चेंज होती है, सिचुएशंस चेंज होते हैं, हम अपने आप को स्ट्रेच कर पाते हैं, वेल एंड गुड. बट क्या हम आज ये कर पाएंगे, ये आप सबको सोचना है. यू ऑल हैव टू थिंक हाउ मच यू कैन स्ट्रेच योर सेल्फ राइट नाउ, हाउ मच यू कैन डू फॉर द फैमिली, वर्ल्ड, यू, सोसाइटी. Please feel free to do anything, but always limit your boundaries. Take control of your energy drainouts. Now, in our life, we all have those 1 or 2 negative energies who try to pull our energy out. And हम उन्हीं को सुनते रहते हैं, and उनसे हमारी energy drain होती है, जो आगे जाके हमें बहुत ज़्यादा affect करती है. So please take control of it. If you are able to do it, please detach yourself from those negative energies and attach yourself to positive energy through meditation, through friends and families who are positive, through the things you like to do to arouse your creative mind. Do all these things. Do everything possible that can make you positive, happy and healthy. Because a positive, happy, healthy, educated woman can raise a positive, happy, healthy and educated society. That is the power of the woman. So always take control over the energy drain out, okay? Have playdates. Yes, have playdates. So as you all organize playdates for your kids, you also have to organize playdate for yourself. So call your friends, call your family, call whoever you like to gel with, hang with, whoever you like to spend time with. Have playdates, go out, have a vacation, have a cup of coffee over in a good cafeteria, go out and watch a movie, go out on a spa date, do whatever makes you happy, because that will give you the break from the monotony that you are suffering from. And the moment you break that monotony, the moment that you break this kind of mindset blockage from you all, you will see that you are rejuvenated. You have a new energy, you have a new zeal to face the world. Okay, so organize a playdate not only for your kids and the family, but also for you. Be happy. The whole idea is to be happy. Whatever makes you happy, please do it. Ask for help. Yes, ask for help. If you are in a situation which requires help, please ask for it. You are not a lady Rajnikant. You are not a lady superwoman. They are just fiction. Okay, you are not a superwoman. They are just fiction. And in reality, we all need help. In reality, we all need support. This entire society or the ecosystem sustains on support and help. It's not about one-man show. Okay, so a one-man team can do wonders, but a team makes history. Okay, so one man can play well. In a game of cricket or football, one man can play well. But if the entire team supports, they win matches. Correct? So always ask for help. Do not refrain from it. Now, help you can ask from your family, you can ask from your neighbors, you can ask from your friends, you can ask from extended, social things. So today it's all about how much help you can get from each other and how much support you can give to each other to flourish. The more you do it, the more you will flourish, the more you will have the benefit of it. Let go of the small stuff. That means forgive and forget. These small stuffs actually eat you up slowly, slowly. If you are holding on to negative things which are eating you or making you worried, so if you are not speaking about it, if you are not talking to it, it will eat you up. And you will not even realize when did it eat you up. वो आपको खा जाएगा अंदर से, आप खोखले हो जाओगे और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा ये हुआ कब. इसीलिए please let go of the small stuff if the relationship is very, very important. If you think that this relationship with this person is very important to you in your family, then always let go of the small things which irritate you by not forgiving and forgetting, but by talking. Go and talk to that person, clarify it, make him or her aware that these things bother you. These are small. They might seem small to the other person. Oh, why is it so? It's bothering you. But it's a big thing for you. And you need to go and talk. And if you think people will say something or they will not acknowledge, let it be. That is not your cup of concern. Your concern area is to go and tell that person कि ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा या ये चीज मुझे बॉदर करती है आपके बारे में. चाहे वो फैमिली हो, चाहे वो कोई भी हो. फैमिली में चाहे कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन हो. बट आपका बात करना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so the more you let go of this small stuff by talking, by communicating, by telling it to that person, the more you will be at peace, the more you will be at relaxed position, and the more you will be a happy person. And that is what I want. So today, when you go home from this webinar, I want that each one of you should be a happy person, a happy, healthy, sound person who knows what you are looking forward to. Okay, who knows what is the priority of my life, who knows that I am important, who knows that I have to sleep well, who knows that I know my limitations, but I will work towards it. Then you can have that piece of cake for you, which you always thought, how can I get that piece of cake? Right? So these are the points that you all women should acknowledge, you all women should write down somewhere and always have go through this every single time you feel low in your life. So again, coming back of the full circle, the journey of balance from I just can't have it all to I can have it all. The only person who can fulfill this is you. So I completed the journey of my balance by doing this entire circle. And this is only possible if you are able to abide by all those points which can give you that cake. Okay, which can give you that importance in your family, which can give you that change or shift in mindset that you are also important in that family. And it's only you who can do it and no one else. And I would like to end the session by one strong woman who is making heads turn starting from India to the Hollywood, Bollywood to Hollywood is Priyanka Chopra, a very, very strong lady. If you have listened to her, I like her comments on women empowerment and women strength, wherein she talks about so much. So she says that be true to who you are. Be the authentic you who you are. Be courage, be selfless, be love. Courage comes from knowing your truth and standing up for it. Right? So always love yourself, always be courageous, always be selfless to give and take. So always the give and the take is not one way, it's a two-way communication. You should always be giving and taking in a two-way street mode. It's not only just giving and giving and giving and you are just not taking anything else from others. No, it's always a two-way mode. So see what you are giving and see what you are taking and then work towards it. Be bold. Be bold to face the world. Be bold to do what you love to do. Be bold to stand for your rights. That is the most important thing. So be true to who you are. Be courageous. Be selfless. Be love. And courage comes from knowing your truth. So if you know who you are a very, very confident person and you can stand up for it. So thank you so much. So we need to manage our energy, right? We need to manage our energy and not time. If you have energy, your mind will work more efficiently and you will not fumble. And be empathetic to people. Be empathetic towards people whom you work with. Be empathetic towards people whom you stay with. Be empathetic to people whom you interact with. We have a choice to be a bitter person or a better person, right? So always have this choice, and each one of us has it. It's just a matter how we choose it. Thank you so much. It was wonderful interacting with you. I am open to all the questions now. Enjoy your success, ladies. Enjoy your journey and enjoy most of all being you. That is what you should be looking forward to, how you can be the original you rather than anything else. Thank you so much for joining in. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience for me. Now, start pouring in the questions. I am here to give all the answers. If you have any question, please put it down in the chat box. I would be happy to share my answers with you. So as a woman, it's very, very important that you stand up for yourself. It's very, very important, be it in the family, whatever kind of family you are in, stand up for yourself. Now by stand up for yourself, I don't mean that you have to be aggressive, you have to be very, very foul mouth, और आपको कुछ उन्हें गलत कहना है, आपको अग्रेसिव होना है, आपको शाउट आउट करना है, नहीं, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको बस अपनी बात रखनी है एंड बड़े अच्छे तरीके से रखनी है, राइट? सो कम्युनिकेशन इज द की टू every situation. Okay, so one lady is asking is, how do I manage my work and my life since I'm at the home? Okay, that's great. So now how do you manage work and your life is, first and foremost, जो डिमार्केशन लाइन थी कि हम 9 to 6 ऑफिस रहते हैं एंड 6 to 9 घर में देते हैं, वो लाइन अब खत्म हो चुकी है. दैट इज एंडिंग फॉर ईच वन ऑफ अस. सो एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट अ हेजी लाइन. सो यू नीड टू क्रिएट बाउंड्रीज. Okay, in your own house you need to create boundaries and you need to stick by those boundaries. So if you say that this is my work time, this would be my family time, this would be my kids time, this would be my cooking time, you have to abide by that. It's not that अगर उस टाइम पे कुछ urgency आती है then you can, you know, एक दिन आप adjust कर सकते हो, 2 दिन adjust कर सकते हो. Every day you can't live on fire. Okay, every day you can't live on fire. You have to adjust. You have to be vocal about it, that these are my boundaries and limitations that I have set for myself, and this has to be clearly communicated even to your office, right? Even to your working force you have to communicate this, that these are the boundaries and this is what I would like you all to know. So please abide by it. And it's very, very simple. You are not harsh, you are not rude. Just manage the tone that you are talking in and that works well. Okay, any other question? Okay. Okay, so how do you honor yourself? Now, sir, how do you honor yourself is, first and foremost, you have to think that you as an individual is important. Okay? So you have to think that as an individual, you are important, you have a say, and you are not just here to do all the other roles apart from being you. So first and foremost, honor that. Second thing, honor with whatever flesh and blood you are in. So if the whatever flesh and blood you have, you are made of, honor that, respect that, accept that. So once you start accepting that, you start accepting your flaws, you start accepting your goods, you start accepting your beauty. Once you do that, you again give yourself priority. And the third thing is that me time. Take out that me time from 24 hours. I'm sure out of the 24 hours in a day, you might get a half an hour or 30 minutes time where you can take out time for yourself. So that me time is very, very important. You have to take that time out for you. Do whatever you want to do in that me time. Meditation, reading a book, having a cup of coffee, listening to music, binge watching, playing with your kid, or just taking a walk, not doing anything, staring in the sky, sitting, sleeping, whatever you want to do. But take that time out. It's your time and nobody can take it from you. It's very, very important. Okay? So start honoring yourself. that is how you will get in that mold of how you can honor yourself. Okay. How do I break the value system? Okay. Now, you can't break the value system. Okay. The value system is very, very in ground. I can say that it's very deep rooted. वो बहुत ही अंदर तक बसा हुआ है. तो आप उसको ब्रेक तो नहीं कर सकते, बट उसको मोल्ड जरूर कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो अगर आप कोशिश करोगे कि कोई चीज जो वैल्यू सिस्टम में आपको लग रही है कि ये चीज मेरे हिसाब से नहीं सही है या उनके हिसाब से सही है, देन आप बात करो. ओके, टॉक टू देम एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज वर्किंग, व्हाट इज नॉट वर्किंग, व्हाई इज दिस वैल्यू, कैन आई चेंज इट अ लिटिल, कैन आई चेंज इट अ लिटिल इन द फैमिली. So I come from a very, very nuclear family, and I'm married to I can say a huge, well, it's a huge family, right? Now, when I came from a nuclear to this family, so one challenge was talking to each one of the family members. How can I talk to all 24 of them, right? So I made a plan. I made a plan that, okay, these are the people I'd be talking frequently. These are the people I'll talk once in a month. These are the people I'll talk once in a year. And that's okay. So that is how I have set it. And now people have molded into it. So they know that I can't be talking to everyone 24/7 because I'm working, I have a family, I have rest of the things also. So the मजे की बात ये है कि आप जैसे जिसको मोल्ड करोगे वो वैसा मोल्ड हो जाता है, राइट? ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो मोल्ड नहीं होता है. यस, एक दो बार वो कुछ बोलते हैं, बट लोग हैं, लोगों का काम है कहना, पर हमारा काम है उसको सुन के अनसुना कर देना. इसलिए दो कान है हमारे पास. ठीक है. सो ट्राई एंड डू दैट एंड सी हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच. Any other questions coming up? Yeah, I'm waiting. If you have any questions, please do. Okay, so thank you so much. I think we are done, and it was a wonderful session. Thank you all for joining in, and I'm sure you all have gained something out of it. Happy Women's Day, and be strong, be beautiful, be bold, be the change, but always be you. That is the most important thing. Thank you so much from HDFC Fingage and all of us. Thank you.